sweets, today's video is to all the people who want to try wearing niqab or are wearing niqab. I actually just sat in my room and I was just trying on a few styles, etc. And every niqabi probably knows this style, so it's super duper easy. I don't even know why I'm making this. Baby, careful! Anyways, I hope you all enjoy this video. It's going to be super quick, super easy and super nice. All you need for this tutorial is basically a hijab cap, a hijab, preferably chiffon material, and then you also need 2 pins. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video.